Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tech. Today we will be discussing how to easily change your YouTube TV location. Have you ever tried watching local channels on YouTube TV while traveling and found yourself blocked? Or maybe you've moved and need to update your location to get the correct local programming. Well, you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to walk you through a few simple methods to change your YouTube TV location, so you can access the local channels you want, no matter where you are. We'll cover everything from using your home area to using a VPN. But before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to Rome Tech for more useful tips and tricks. Okay, let's get started. First, let's talk about the basic way YouTube TV determines your location, your home area. YouTube TV uses your home area as the primary location for your local channels. When you first sign up, you're asked to set this location. This is usually tied to your billing zip code. The simplest way to ensure you are watching the correct local channels is to be physically located within your designated home area. YouTube TV checks your location periodically using your IP address and device location services. But what if you're traveling or have moved? Here's where things get a little tricky. If you're traveling, YouTube TV should detect your new location automatically. You can usually watch local channels in your travel location, but YouTube TV does have some restrictions. You can only watch local channels outside your home area for a limited period, generally around 3 months. After that, you'll need to return to your home area. Now let's talk about the more complex scenario, permanently changing your home area. You can do this, but YouTube TV requires you to be physically present in the new location to confirm the change. Here's how you can try to change it. 1. Open the YouTube TV app or website. 2. Go to your profile picture and click Settings. 3. Select Area. 4. YouTube TV should detect your current location. If it does, you can confirm it as your new home area. However, sometimes YouTube TV can be stubborn, and it might not detect your correct location, especially if you have location services disabled or are using a VPN without realizing it. This brings us to the next method, using a VPN. Now, a VPN or virtual private network can mask your IP address and make it appear as if you are connecting from a different location. Important disclaimer, using a VPN to bypass geographical restrictions might violate YouTube TV's terms of service. Always check their terms before attempting this method. Rome Tech is not responsible for any actions taken against your account. With that said, here's how you could theoretically use a VPN. 1. Choose a reputable VPN provider. There are many options available, both free and paid. We recommend doing your research to find one that suits your needs. 2. Connect to a VPN server located in your desired home area. 3. Open YouTube TV and follow the steps to change your home area, as we discussed earlier. If YouTube TV detects the VPN location, it might allow you to change your home area. However, keep in mind that YouTube TV is actively working to block VPNs, so this method may not always work. Also, using a free VPN is generally not recommended, as they can be unreliable and may compromise your privacy. Finally, if you're still having trouble changing your location, you can try contacting YouTube TV support directly. They can sometimes assist you with location-related issues. So there you have it. A few ways to change your YouTube TV location. Remember to always check YouTube TV's terms of service and use these methods responsibly. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.